How do I unsubscribe from a listserv list? There are several ways to unsubscribe from a listserv list. Most email lists are configured to include an unsubscribe link at the end of each message. To leave the list, simply click on this link. You can also unsubscribe through the web interface by visiting the home page of the list. Copy the host name after the @ sign into your browser and click on the name of the list that you want to leave. For confidential or unlisted lists, use the Access Unlisted Lists text box. Then click on Subscribe or Unsubscribe in the side menu. Enter your email address, followed by Unsubscribe. If you have a listserv password for the host site, you can log in and click on Subscriptions under the Subscriber Options menu to see all of the lists that you're subscribed to. Check the boxes next to the lists that you want to leave. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Unsubscribe in the pull-down menu, followed by Update. Finally, you can unsubscribe from a listserv list directly from your email client. Simply send a blank email to the list's unsubscribe address. The unsubscribe address always consists of the list name, followed by unsubscribe, request, followed by the host name. Thank you for watching.